In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a response from Notebooklm to a Google Doc. We'll walk through this process slowly and clearly, so if you're following along on your own screen, feel free to pause at any time. By the end, you'll be able to take any response you've generated in Notebooklm and quickly turn it into a Google Doc you can edit, share, and collaborate on. First, start in Notebooklm with the response you want to export. This might be an answer you've just generated, a summary, or any other output you'd like to reuse. Look just below that response for a button labeled Save to Note. Go ahead and click that. What this does is store the response as a note inside Notebooklm, which makes it available for exporting and organizing later. Think of it as bookmarking that response in a more permanent way. Once you've saved it, shift your attention to the right-hand side of the screen. You should see the Studio panel. This panel is where your saved notes and related items are listed. After clicking Save to Note, a new note item appears there. It will usually show the title or the first line of your response so you can recognize it easily. Take a moment to locate that new note in the Studio panel. If you have several notes, just scroll until you see the most recent one you created. When you've found it, look directly next to the note's title. You'll see a small icon with 3 vertical dots, often called the 3 dots menu or the More Options menu. Click on that 3 dots menu. This opens a small drop-down with different actions you can take on that specific note. Among these options, look for Export to Google Docs. This is the key feature that sends your saved response over to Google Docs in your Google account. Now, select Export to Google Docs. Notebooklm will create a new Google Doc containing the full contents of that note. Depending on your setup, it might open in a new tab, or you may see a brief confirmation before you open it from your Google Drive. From there, you can format, edit, share, and collaborate just like you would with any other Google Doc. And that's all there is to it. Save the response as a note, find it in the Studio panel, open the 3 dots menu, and choose Export to Google Docs.